Hello, I'm James Clark from the Department of Physiology at King's College London, and in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can reduce the size of your PowerPoint presentations in order to share them on your virtual learning environment. You can reduce the size of your presentations by compressing the images within your presentation to a format that's more compatible with online delivery. I have a presentation in front of me, and if I go to the File menu and choose Properties, you'll see the file size is 20.6 megabytes. There are not many images in this file, but there are still enough to make the file quite large. So remembering this file size of 20.6 megabytes, we will then try and reduce the size of the file by compressing our images. Again, going to the File menu, we can choose the option Compress Pictures. You can choose the quality you wish your pictures to be, and you can choose from the original quality, high fidelity, HD, print, on-screen and email. Obviously the original quality will leave your pictures unaffected and you won't save any file size. But as you move down through the others, as the PPI or the pixels per inch is reduced, you will reduce the quality of the images, but you will also reduce the size of the images and therefore the size of your file. For this demonstration I'm going to choose email or 96 PPI. I'm also going to make sure that the delete cropped areas of pictures is selected. If you have, for illustrative purposes, removed parts of your images by cropping them, it will delete this information and therefore save on disk space. Once you've selected the correct options, click on OK. Now that the process is completed, make sure you save the file. Now go to the File menu again, choose Properties, and have a look. This file size is now 6.68 megabytes. That's a reduction of almost 15 megabytes in size. That's quite substantial for what was originally quite a small presentation. So if your presentations are racking up megabytes, it's worth giving this a go to see if you can reduce their file size before you narrate and upload. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel.